You meet somebody that you think is really cool. We've talked about this in other episodes about meeting people like influencers, organizers, investors, company owners, so on and so forth. So this is how you can build instant rapport, increase your influence, and get them to remember you literally step by step. Hey, today on Expand the Business, we're going to talk about a very simple step-by-step formula that you can use literally anywhere at any event to increase influence and create friendships. So here we go. Now, let's say you're at a meeting, right? You meet somebody that you think is really cool. We've talked about this in other episodes about meeting people like influencers, organizers, investors, company owners, so on and so forth. So this is how you can build instant rapport, increase your influence, and get them to remember you literally step by step. So here's how it goes. So you meet someone, you're talking to them, you think they're really cool and awesome. You got to have your phone with you, right? So here's the process. Number one, you're going to want to take a selfie with the person. So it's pretty easy in today's culture to just go, oh my gosh, this is awesome. It's great to meet you. Let's take a quick picture. So we take a quick selfie. Hey, whatever, right? Now you got your selfie. Now what you do is you say, hey, I'm going to text this to you so you have it. I'm going to throw it up on my Facebook page or my LinkedIn profile, but I want to send it over to you. So what do? You literally take your phone and you hand it to them with the message open. 9 times out of 10, they're going to take the phone and they know that that means put your phone number in, right? So you put their phone number in. Now you have them in your phone. Then at the moment that they do that, you say, hey, I'm going to text this to you. Now what you do is you text that picture to the other person. And in that you say, hey, it's your name, spell it out. And we met today at the blah, blah, blah networking event, right? So, hey, today is March, whatever, Casey Eberhart here. We met at the blah, blah, blah networking event. Boom. And you just send it over to them. That's all you have to do. Okay. That's it. Now, here's why psychologically this is so important. Number one, when we follow up with them later, they may not have you programmed in their phone, your name. That's why we put their name in there, right? Now, here's the cool thing. Now you just go about your business. It's all cool. You meet another person, you do the same thing. You meet another person, you do the same thing. The other reason that you've done that is now when you go back, you should know their name. Okay, so let's say 7 days later or up to 7 days later, no more than 7 days later, here's what you do. You take out your phone and now you're going to send a video text. But this video text is going to make a couple of additional references. It's going to say your name again. If it's hard to spell your name, you want them to know how to say and spell your name. So say it in order of name, how you pronounce it, how you spell it, where you met, and if there's any follow-up or anything that you agreed to at the event, you want to reference that in the video and tell them to have a great day or whatever. Now, here's why this video is so powerful. Because when they get the text, they're going to not know it's from you because they haven't programmed your name in their phone. Number one, all they're going to have is that picture and the message that you texted below. Now, when you send the video, they're going to have a whole bunch of extra reference points, okay? Now, the next time you text them, a month from now or 2 months from now, when they get the text, if they're still not in your phone, if you're still not programmed in their phone, now they're watching that video. Now they've got a picture to reference you and a video, right? So the video can be really simple. As simple as, hey, Bruce, it's Casey Eberhart. I don't know if you remember, my name's kind of goofy. It's E, B as in boy, E-R-H-A-R-T. We met at the Sherman Oaks, blah, 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 networking event. And hey, I just wanted to just tell you it was fantastic to meet you. And if there's anything I can do to help you in your blank business, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you're having a great day. Boom, send that text. Notice I told my name, how to pronounce it, and how to spell it. Now, I could have also said, hey, I'm going to send you a friend request on Facebook. I'm going to connect with you on LinkedIn. Hey, if you are on YouTube, ping me back. And it now starts that conversation. The critical component of this is we want to talk to our prospect or whoever that is with a picture so they have visually recognize this. The reason I like audio is it also gives a video gives us an audio and a visual representation. Plus, we're making it easy to spell our name. That way, if they can look us up, if they want to refer us, I guarantee you, if you will just do those two things, meet someone, send them a text message with a selfie of you two, saying your name, where you met them, and then follow up 7 days later with a video text, I can almost promise you, well, I can promise you they're going to love you. I can almost guarantee you that the conversation is going to be moved forward. And if you even want to be funny, like for extra credit, and one of the things I do is I'm like, listen, I know that I'm not programmed in your phone. So if you want to program me in your phone, now would be a good time. Like, have fun with it, right? You just met them at a networking event, or you met them out at a gala, or even at a work function. This is how you start to build great rapport. Now, here's the other thing. Remember, you might program them in your phone, but you still might not remember who they are. It gives you a chance to go back and watch the video as well before you send them the next follow-up message. So I hope that was helpful. Try it out. Let me know in the comments below, A, if you like this, but also once you've tried this, I want to hear back on the results. I love hearing results. And by the way, if you need or you want a bunch of networking tips, I created this free PDF literally called 120 Power Networking Tips. You can get it at powernetworkingtips.com. I'll drop the link right in below as well. But here's the thing. I tell people, print the thing off, and just before you go to an event, read a few of them and go in. It'll change your mindset and you'll make better connections. Until next time, have an amazing day. I'll see you next time. Ciao.